Hello everyone, I'm Jason. This is Main Street English. In this video, we're going to talk a little more about grammar, specifically types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. Number 1, a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. For example, everyone enjoyed Tim's book report. That is a declarative sentence. Our second sentence is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. For example, did you see it? That is an interrogative sentence. Number 3, an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence tells or asks someone to do something. Clean up your room. That is an imperative sentence. Number 4, an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling. For example, that was a great movie. That is an exclamatory sentence. There you go. 4 types of sentences to help you with your grammar skills. Keep those in mind when forming your English sentences and when using them in your everyday English conversations. Until next time, I'm Jason. This is Main Street English, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.